Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, and of course guys, if you are looking for, if you are not joining us right now while we are doing the analysis, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart whenever you are seeing this video. Okay, and if you are looking forward to make up to $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So we will be analyzing the market right away, starting with boom 1000, and of course this had been on a very strong downtrend for a very long time, but it has gotten to this support zone, and of course it's trying to move back up. Okay, so you can see it moving back up and up and up. So right now it is at this resistance zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then definitely it will be selling. Now let's see how far it will go if it sells. Okay, the first stage is the support zone. Once it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely the next support zone is going to be somewhere here. Okay, so once it breaks out below this, then we should be looking at somewhere around here, guys. We should be looking at somewhere around here, and of course if it breaks out below this, then we can now check out somewhere here, which is a very crucial point. Okay, because at some point it might want to pull back in between before it get there. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, more of a selling opportunity, especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, this is on this is boom 500, and of course just where we have seen it, it's been on uptrend for a very long time, but it has gotten to this resistance zone and it's trying to try it out again. If it tries it out and it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will start selling. But for now it's still on buy trend until it is unable to break out from that resistance zone. This might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction into a full sell trend. Okay, so you should take note of that. It will soon go on a full sell trend, but we just need to know the exact time it will go into it. Okay, that is if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Then the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, still on 5-minute time frame. This was on uptrend before, played around there for a while, but it was unable to break out below this resistance zone, so it started a downtrend. It sold till it got to this support zone, which it was unable to break out from, and of course it's started buying. So if it's unable to break out from this resistance zone, then definitely it will continue to sell. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, then the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, just where we have seen it. This went on downtrend, pull back and played around there for a while, but continued with the downtrend, and it came to an end around there. So right now it's going back on buy trend, but it was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it pulled back and it will be trying it out again. Once it breaks out above it, then the next resistance zone is what we should be looking out for. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So the final asset is going to be volatility 75. So let's check it out right away. Volatility 75. Okay, let's check it out right away. So guys, So this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen it, okay, this had been on downtrend before but went back on uptrend. It has got into this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will start selling, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone, then it should sell till it gets to this region, okay, and if it breaks out below this, then it will still keep on selling, and this should be the next target, okay. So that is it. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just to make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.